In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set job category in Smartsheet. Role Classification 2026. Setting your job category ensures your role is captured correctly for reporting, permissions alignment, and headcount analytics. It's a quick update, but it matters a lot for accurate dashboards and organization-wide consistency. Start by opening your browser and going to smartsheet.com. Sign into your account using your email and password, or your company's single sign-on if that's what you use. Keep this step quick. Once signed in, you'll land on the home page. On home, you'll see recent items and workspaces, and on the left, the main sidebar. This sidebar is where you'll find navigation and account options. If you don't see text labels, the sidebar might be collapsed. Hover near the left edge or click the small arrow to expand it. Now look to the very bottom of that sidebar for your profile icon. This may be your photo or your initials. Click the profile icon at the bottom left, then select Personal Settings. Your profile settings will open right away, usually in a panel or window. You may see tabs like Profile or Account. The exact layout can vary, but all the options you need are here. In Personal Settings, locate the Job Category field. It typically appears as a drop-down or a selector with predefined options. Click the selector and choose the category that best matches your role according to your organization's 2026 classification framework. If you're unsure which one to pick, check your team's guidelines or ask your admin so your selection stays consistent with company standards. Choosing the correct category helps maintain accurate workforce reporting and keeps automated workflows and role-based filters functioning properly across sheets and dashboards. After selecting your category, make sure to save. Look for a Save or Save Changes button in the settings panel and click it before you close anything. If you navigate away without saving, your update won't stick, and you'll need to redo it. Once saved, you can close the settings panel. Your updated job category is now applied to your profile and will be reflected wherever Smartsheet references job category in reports or automations. Here's a quick recap to lock it in. Go to smartsheet.com, sign in, open the left sidebar, click your profile icon, choose Personal Settings, select your job category, and save. If the job category field isn't visible, it may be restricted by your plan or permissions. So contact your Smartsheet administrator for help. That's all you need to keep your role classification accurate for 2026. Thanks for watching, and keep your settings up to date to make your reports reliable and your workflow smooth.